Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
What do you have here?
These stuff, and these stuff are right here.
Okay, so you have your Play-Doh, and you got quite a few different colors, but they're all mixed up already. And
And these.
yeah, those. What is that?
This is Play-Doh stuff.
Oh, okay. The lids have different shapes on them. Okay.
But this is a pad.
Yeah. And then there's those cutters that you can make all kinds of different shapes. So which?
There's this cutter and 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 this cutter.
Yeah, those are the colors, different colors. There was a bunch of different colors, but like I said, they're all mixed together now, aren't they? But that's okay. We'll just have super colorful stuff. So, what shape?
The orange is just mixed together with a little bit blue.
Oh, okay. So what shape do you want to make? You're gonna make a shape of some kind, and then you're gonna put it on here, right?
Yep.
And then we're gonna scan it into the game.
Yeah.
That's I think it's called the Play-Doh Touch.
Yeah, Play-Doh Touch.
That's what the game is called, right? I believe so. Okay. So.
This red covered with these covers with red.
Okay.
But why is this? Why is
here?
red mixed into?
Let's take some. Let's take some out. How about this one? Let's take this out and then cut it into a shape. Here, should I take it out?
No. I just want this one now.
Okay, we'll take that one out. So now flatten it out. Maybe just flatten it out here. You want to just flatten it out right on there? That works too.
This is the pad for these.
Yeah, you need to make a shape, or did you just want to do it like this? How about we make a nice shape first?
No.
Since this is our first time actually doing the game part, the app. Because we're going to scan your shape into the game, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so here, let me see. Okay, let's make this shape. So we're gonna flatten it out. Ooh, look at those cool colors. Okay, so put it on there. Now you're gonna, oh, don't press too hard, I don't know. No, it should be okay. Now, what shape do you wanna?
It's squished on to the hair.
Yeah, oh, is there a hair? Gross, okay.
My hair.
Okay, grab a cutter. Grab whichever cutter you want, these shape cutters.
This cover.
Okay. Okay, now cut your shape. I think you have to turn it around that. Okay. Maybe flip it over, Lincoln.
Look.
Okay, that works, yeah.
But how do I do the flip it over it?
Because then it'll cut it through. Oh, it did. Okay. That works, or okay. Here, let's take the extra off.
No.
Okay. Okay.
I want to roll it.
No. Look, let's scan it first. Let's first see it in the game. Okay. So, we're going to scan this. This is the shape you wanted. Looks kind of like a blob. I think it's supposed to be a tree.
No, it's not.
Okay. But let's scan that in.
Let's down.
Okay, sorry. Let's scan that into the game now, okay? Okay. Make your character. Okay, we already did that. Hold your device. Move your device so that your character almost fills a circle. Okay. Let's go. Okay. Hey, where'd it go? Put it back on. Look, now we're gonna scan it. See it there?
Little
Look, look, it's in there. Our blob. I mean our tree.
No, it's or.
Okay. Look, it's in there. See?
That's so cool.
See?
It's your plants.
What do we do with them? Make them
Did you
run?
not make a video of it?
It is making a video. It's still recording. Oh. Oh, oh.
I want one now.
What do we do, Lincoln? Look, he went in there. Ooh. Kind of reminds me of like... Oh, you can't. You have to roll it down here. But look. Let's play this game. Now there's two of them. There's that one. Okay.
See, now it's a tree.
Ah! Oh.
It's a big plant thing.
Look, there's two of them. This is so cool. Look. This kind of reminds me of like Mario Galaxy. I'm not really sure what we're supposed to do.
What do you
want in there?
Oh, you want your piano?
Oh, look, we can scan another one in now. We'll pretend it's an octopus.
Yeah, see, this one.
Oh, is there an octopus cutter?
This is
Okay.
a good octopus cutter.
Okay, so let's cut an octopus. Okay. What's that?
See?
Octopus.
This
No,
one.
it doesn't want to scan in. Okay. What's this? Okay. It really wants the octopus in there. Make a Play-Doh shape using the shown mold. Remove any excess Play-Doh and scan it. So it really wants that octopus. How do we get that octopus in there, Lincoln? Okay, let's try it again. Maybe you need to... Maybe you need to roll it and try again. Maybe we need some more Play-Doh on there.
No, you need to roll it.
Here, we need more Play-Doh. It won't be enough Play-Doh, I think. Or maybe. Okay, where'd the octopus go? Okay. Let's try again. Okay. Nope, I don't think that worked. This isn't working.
You think it's going to work now?
No, I don't think so. Okay, well, can we get out of here? But I don't want to make this. Oh, there. Okay. Okay, let's just keep going. How do you... Can you jump? Oh, I don't know how to jump. That thing. Ah. Oh, it's gonna want us to cut a new shape again.
Let's do this big
Oh, we got another shape. I don't know what it is, but yay! Okay. What happened? What happened? I'm really not sure. Oh, oh no!
saw the octopus.
You saw the... You saw octopus again? Say octopus? But it was so cute. What's this? Oh, it wants a lamb. Do we have a lamb cutter?
This lamb cutter.
Okay, can you roll this out first? So we have a fresh start. Roll it out. Roll it out. Okay. Okay, that's probably good to cut it. Where's the lamb cutter? Can you find the lamb?
There it is.
That's a flower. Look, this is the lamb, right?
Yeah.
Can you cut the lamb shape? It helps if you kind of twist it around a little. Look, I'll show you. If you kind of go like this, like wiggle it. Wiggle, wiggle. Okay, and then get rid of this stuff. There we go. Does it look like a lamb?
Yep, it's a little one.
Oh, Lincoln. Hey, hey, look, we were gonna scan it in. Yeah, it is.
Where's the scan? There.
There we go. Look,
Where's decent?
look, it works. Look, it's got legs. That's so funny. Look at it.
I got
Scan that guy. Well, what happened? Oh, there's a little game going on now. Now we're the lamb. It's so cute. Ha!
He has these ears.
Whee! What's going on here?
He's a Play-Doh lamb.
Ha! It's so funny. Oh.
He has these eggs.
Whoa, look, look, look. He's climbing up. Oh. Boing. Oh. Ah, come on. Oh, oh, oh. Okay. Ah. Okay, this game's so cool. Wow, what was that?
There's another one.
Another one.
There's so much of them. There's just one of them.
There's two of them.
Yeah.
The one we made and we duplicated him. I know. Should we make another one?
Uh-huh. But let's make a balloon.
Okay. Wow. Is that a... Can we get in there? Oh, no, we went the wrong way. Can we try again? So cute. Ah. Okay, I need to work on my controls.
I want to make this.
What's this one? Yeah, you can make that if you want. Is it gonna want us to cut another shape?
Yep.
Oh,
I want to make a balloon.
do you want to make a balloon? Okay. Make your balloon.
This.
Whee! It did it. See?
It's a balloon one.
Oh, look. Now it's a shape with a circle, a balloon in it.
Now I want to do this one.
Hey, look. Can you find this shape somewhere?
This one.
Look, this one on the screen. It wants you to do that one. Can you find that shape?
Look at this.
Do we have a shape like that? It's like a potion bottle. This one.
Yeah, potion bottle.
There. Cut that one in there. Yeah, that looks like it.
Yeah, it's a potion bottle. Look it.
Okay. Now we gotta get rid of all this extra. I didn't cut it deep enough. There we go. Got it? Ooh.
Got it.
It was about to scan it. Come on.
It's going to scan.
It was was going to. What happened?
It's going to. It's going to. It's going to scan.
Come on. Yeah. Maybe I just need to stop moving.
Can you hear your voice too?
I think so. Okay, this is okay. I give up. Let's just go back. We tried.
I wish you this one. Can you do this one?
Sure. You're gonna need to add some more Play-Doh and flatten it out again, though.
Do this one.
Okay.
Go to the picture.
You wanna go to the picture? Okay. You need to add more Play-Doh, though. You need to add more Play-Doh. Where is it? Here. Add this. Because you're not gonna have enough Play-Doh there to actually cut a shape. Here. Look.
Look at mine.
Oh, okay. It's doing something. Okay, we can scan that. Hey, you want to see if we can try scanning your finger or something?
No.
This is so funny. I'll try. If it'll let me go back in.
No, let's do this.
What?
I don't want to get in.
Oh, yeah. Oh, won't let me. Okay, we'll have to wait till the next one. I want to see if it'll let me scan in my... Oh, look, it's got a kite. Oh, there's one. Okay, back. I don't know how he ended up with a kite. Okay, let's try this. Let's see. Where's... Doesn't want to work. What about... No. What about just a shape? That works. Like, with complete edges. What's up, bud? This game's pretty cool.
That's nice.
I want to do some.
Right? Like it even gave... See, this is a sheep that we created, but it gave it like eyes and it's looking around and... Pretty cool, eh? Like animated our shape. Let's go in here.
No.
Look, Lincoln! Look, we're in it. Oh, what happened?
What's this?
Oh, we went out. Go back in.
No. No.
Hey, Lincoln, look. Come watch the game. Oh, he fell apart. Look.
He goes back apart.
Duplicate him again. Oh.
Let's do this.
Whee.
Go to the picture. Go to the picture.
Oh, okay, here. Oh, I missed. Let's try again. No. Oh, here. Oh. Okay, one more time.
Go to
Okay,
the
we have to go
picture.
straight up. And then to the side. Oh, right there.
Go
Okay.
to the picture.
Come on.
I want to take a picture of this.
Oh, okay. Okay. We have
Take a picture of this.
We will. First, we have to find a spot where we can do it again. We have to find a Play-Doh container. Like this. Okay, here. Now it wants us to take a picture. But it wants a snail. It wants us to create a snail, though. Like that one over there. This one. That's a snail.
Yeah.
But I think we have to do it with Play-Doh. Maybe it'll work. It is a snail. You want to do it with the Play-Doh? Okay. Where's the roller? You need to flatten it out. be good and flat. Did you drop one?
Yeah.
Where's the... Oh, did you drop the...
These.
Oh, no, don't drop the rolling pin. Okay, now make the snail. Look, the snail there. Let's cut it in. That's flat enough. Now just cut it. Wiggle it around so it cuts all the way through. Wiggle, wiggle. Good job. Okay, now I think it'd be easier if we take the stuff around off first. There we go. Now pick it up. We got a snail.
Yeah, a little snail.
Yeah.
This is a little snail.
Okay, it doesn't think it's a snail. It is a snail. There.
I don't think it
Okay,
is.
don't bump me, don't bump me. Woohoo!
The ears snail.
Look. Now we have a snail. Oh, look, it's a cute little snail. Ah, that's so cute.
There's so many friends now.
Yeah, we have so many Play-Doh friends. Hello, Cloud. Are we doing another?
Snail.
Oops. Oh, okay. Yeah, it's a good snail. Oh, what's in here? Oh, it wants another shape.
This is
Is that? Yeah, that's the one. Okay, we need to flatten it out again. Okay, now just cut it. That's good. Okay. Oops. Can't see it. Okay, so what is that? An alien?
alien.
Okay, wiggle, wiggle.
It's a good alien.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Let's take off the excess. Okay. Pick it up. Do we have an alien? We do have an alien.
There's
Okay, don't
two.
bump. Oh, okay. Good job. Good
It's
job.
good alien.
Perfect. Oh, it was scanning. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, come on. So close. Come on. Scan.
We need so much food.
Woo! Yay! Now we have an alien friend. Oh, he's so cute. He's got 3 eyes. Oh, okay.
Yeah, he got 3 eyes here. Like this one does.
Yeah.
Big alien. Big alien.
Let's just duplicate
So
him.
much fun. There's so
Our ball. What happened? What do we do with the ball? Oh. Not sure what the point of that was, but okay. Look, Daddy, we got an alien in here now. Oh, an alien. Ah, let's not bother with this. We got an alien. So now we have a snail, an alien, and a lamb. And a ball.
We have so much fun.
Whoop, whoop.
You were good fun. This is a little alien.
Yeah.
That's so cute. Looks like a mitten.
Oh, that is so cute. It's so tiny. Okay, how do we jump? Jump! Oh, boy. Another alien.
There's another. Let's make it this. Let's make it.
Oh, do you want to make this one? It wants a dinosaur.
Oh.
You want to make the dinosaur? Where is the dinosaur? Where's the dinosaur? Huh. I have no idea. Is that the one that you dropped on the floor? No. Oh, okay. We'll just keep going. That's okay. We'll find it later.
Where's this one? Yes.
Okay, the alien can't jump in it. What is that?
What's this?
A mushroom?
No.
Whoop, whoop. I wonder how long this game goes for. I haven't reached an end yet.
Probably levels up.
I want to scan
Okay.
Play-Doh. Eat this out.
What's
I'm
this?
going to see the picture right now.
Okay. It scanned the Play-Doh with a cutter on top of the Play-Doh still. Where is it? Where is it? There! Ha! Look at this, Dave. Dave, come look. It's so funny. Oh, look! Let's go show Daddy. Look, we'll scan this with the piece of Play-Doh with the shape cutter on it. Just like that one right there, see? It's so clear. Okay. I don't see why this game had bad reviews. People are just way too picky. Huh? What do you mean? It's kind of what I'm doing right now. Awesome. I just mean on the App Store, when I went to download the game, there was some negative reviews, people complaining about it. But
Take a picture of this now.
I really don't see why.
Take
It's
a
pretty
picture
cool.
of this.
Oh, that's so perfect. Good job, buddy. It's not a potion bottle, though. Because the game wants a potion. But that's a pretty cool mushroom you got there.
It's not a mushroom.
What is it?
It's a tree cut in half.
Oh, okay. Maybe it'll let us scan it into here. Unless it just wants the bone.
I want the bone. Where is the bone? Oh, there
Just
it is.
wait. There! It scanned it in, see? We got your tree mushroom.
No, it's a
Ta-da!
tree cut into half like this.
Whoa. Oh, my parents. We forgot to give them theirs.
I want to make this. Go to the picture. Go to
Okay.
it.
Oh, look. It's changing into different shapes. Come on. I don't think this is one. It won't let me. Look, he's got a kite. Oh, now I'm the lamb. I can change my characters. He fell apart. Look. He fell apart. You can be this guy too.
Go to the picture.
Oh, okay. Okay. We gotta find one. Are you going to make the bone? You can make the bone now already, and then once we're ready to take a picture, it'll be ready right away. Make the bone now already.
Yes. And the fourth.
Okay, come on. Lincoln. Good. Now put it in the middle. Let's push it through. Push. There we go. Push. There you go. Perfect. Okay, now let's scan that. Oh, Lincoln. Now we have a bone. What do you think of this game, Lincoln?
play that game.
Here, you play. Good job. I think you need to let go for a second. I think you can go flying. Oh. Uh-oh. Is that a spider web? Can you move him? Okay, now let go. Woo! Can you move? This part's a little bit difficult. Look, you can create a Play-Doh there. Tap on it. Tap on the cloud. Uh-oh. You can go back. Okay. Right. Now tap on the cloud. Tap on the cloud. Tap on it. Now you wanna scan one? Yeah. Scan it. Can you pick this up? Pick up the phone. No, this will work. Or you can go like this. It'll scan that. There, just like that. Pick it up. Hold it here. Just leave it. That'll work. That works, Lincoln. Here, hold it. You scan it. Come on, Lincoln. It doesn't have to be. Oops. I dropped a piece of Play-Doh. Okay. Here, now hold the phone. Now hold it still. A little bit further back. Your fingers are covering the camera. You did it! Are you done playing for now?
Hey.
Yay!
You're digging, right?
Lincoln, do you want to go to the store with Daddy to get some milk for Lexi?
No.
Is that a fun game? Yeah.
I want to make a store.